Hello my beautiful people, how are you all doing? Hope you're doing fine. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, just go ahead and click that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be rightly informed. Guys, can you see my peppered plantain puff puff? Can you see this delicacy? You gotta go. This delicacy is yummicious and delicious, you know. So guys, this is so nice. Let me just open this one so that you can see how it is. It's so yummy, you know. With the pepper in it, it just takes it to the next level. It is so nice, you know. So if you want to know how I made this recipe, definitely continue watching. Okay guys, today's recipe, I'm going to do a recipe on peppered plantain puff puff. Okay, so now if you have an overripe plantain like this, I will advise you, please don't throw it away. It is it's still very useful to you. Okay, so you can actually use it to do a recipe. So which is a recipe I'm actually going to do today. So you can see this plantain is actually overripe. That's why it's black. You know, it's already blackish. The back is already blackish in color and all that. So if you have a plantain that is overripe like this, please don't throw it away. It is still useful. You can actually use it to make this recipe that I'm about to make. So I'm going to use 2 plantain. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to use my Scotch bonnet. I'm going to use a pinch of salt, a pinch of cinnamon, and I'm going to use some liquid milk. Okay, so if you can actually substitute this liquid milk with water depending on, you know, it's not compulsory, it's actually optional. So I have my 2 tablespoons of yeast. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to just add this 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to add it here and add my water. So I just want to, this is an active dry yeast, so I'm going to just add water so that I'll just set it aside for like 5 minutes so that it would rise. Okay, so I'll just use my foil and wrap it up and set it aside just for like 5 minutes for it to, you know. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll just quickly slice my plantain and put in the blender. Okay, so I'll just add a little bit of water just for it to blend properly. Okay, so I'll just So did I say, okay, this is my flour. This is 1.5 cup of flour. So I'll just go ahead and add my plantain puree. ahead and add my pinch of salt, and I'll add my turmeric, my cinnamon, sorry. So I'll just go ahead and stir. Go ahead and add a little bit of my milk. So the more you stir, the more you add your water or your milk, just to get the consistency that you need. So like I said, you just keep stirring. Just add a little bit. So I'll go ahead and my yeast. So you can see the yeast is already so it's a little bit watery, so I'll just go ahead and add a little bit of more of my flour. So right now it's already okay, so I'll just go ahead and cover it and allow it to sit for like 30 minutes so that it's going to rise. So I'm going to just use my flour right here and cover it up. So it's covered. So I'll just use my towel and just cover it more and place it in my oven. So after 30 minutes I'll show you what it looks like. So this is after 30 minutes. I'm just going to open it so that you can see. Can you see how the dough is right now? It has actually risen. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add my scotch bonnet. Guys, this scotch bonnet actually takes it to the next level. It makes it look like akara, like beans, what do you call it, beans pudding or beans cake, I don't know. Yeah, so I'm actually going to add this scotch bonnet and just give it a stir. Okay, like I said, this scotch bonnet takes it to the next level. Interesting. So that is it. So I would just like to remove everything. What happened when Kegafo? So this is our oil. So I will just try to use this if it works, okay, but if it doesn't work, I'll just reduce the oil. It's probably too hot. So this is it. So as you're putting, you just try to, so you have to be as fast as you can so that some of them are already ready, so I'll just So the more you do is the more you just flip to the other side. So I'll go ahead and add the remaining one.